first there is data entry. Here we need to do the entry sheet. Anything you need to enter, you can enter. Also you can add more information, more column if you require for additional working. Then convert it to pivot table. This is table. Here we make calculation percentage performance, and this is monthly, this is quarterly, this is yearly, and that I presented into dashboard. This is revenue, monthly performance. You can see our target date is blue, actual is this, and performance is this in percentage view. When you see it projector view or big screen, it will be okay. Mean the number is overlapping, it will be okay. Or you need to adjust or make it big, or if you want I can do it in small numbering, or I will move it this one as a bottom line, and it will be okay. So this is monthly. If you go right, we have quarterly performance, and here is yearly performance. And then key KPI is there is meeting status. What is your monthly target? For example, January you have 5, you done it 7, this much percentage performance. Same as job status, interview status. If you go secondary, same thing that we added like CV and calls, meetings, whatever there is. Here we put it like high and low. Monthly, what is low lights? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and also low lights. What is there? If else there is remarking, if you want to add, keep it here remarking. And then here is happy scale. This is motivation scale. So if I click 1 is like red, I will go to 3, color change. If I go to 5, other. If you click on enter into 10 rating, it mean green. So this rating is 1 to 10 only. Okay, I put it 1 and 10, and this is motivation scale. I will change it. And then other rating, here we need to add questions. So have you served, the client was happy, qualifies, final, whatever. We'll add question. There is answer. In January, same thing. In February, March, April. Then area need to develop. This one they can put comment here, whatever they need. Okay, for the second page, if I go right, there is business development. Here we can add link. If I click it here, insert link, you need to click insert and add the link here. Same like here, we can add link. If you need to add more link, we can make it down. This one we can add more link. Same as existing accounts development, BD plan, revenue pipeline is here, manager commits, and done.